Mohammed, maybe we can get the two at the back as well. So later, should I expect presents because it's Eid and because it's the last class? Do I get two lots?
We should expect presents from you.
Yeah.
No, I think you have this backwards.
No, we don't have it backwards. We're the ones who get the presents.
But I'm the one marking her exam.
No, we're going to give you the presents for the, for like, you know, for the out of the year.
And the Eid present
too.
too.
Give us an Eid present, so it's an equal exchange. 10 marks, at least.
Eid presents.
Yeah. 10 marks.
Can make everybody a free cup of coffee. It's not that nice though. Alright, and so we have here P 3 minus 4, 2, and Q 7 minus 6, 3. And as you said, the equation of the line in this case would be P plus TPQ. So we need to know what PQ is. And let's not forget that's Q minus P. So that would be 4 minus 6 minus 4 is minus 2 and 1. So it would be P plus TPQ. Or lambda if you like. Or if you want to write it as 1 as well. That's the A part. So now to the B part. This is line 1. Okay, so write that down. Even if you choose not to do the vectors in section B, you could still get some small part in section A, like exactly something like that. That could easily be a section A question. Okay. Next, the B part. You want to show that minus 9 to minus 1 is on this line. Okay. So what must the value of t be so that it's on the line? How can I make this point? So what can we see what the value of t must be? It looks like minus 3, doesn't it? Yeah, it has to be minus 3. So let's try let t equal minus 3. So this would be 3 minus 12 minus 4 plus 6, 2 minus 3, which is minus 9, 2, and then minus 1, which, yes, it is the point OR. So therefore, OR is on the line. So far we only have 4 marks. Okay, can I scroll down a bit? So now C, show that P minus 10, P squared, P plus 2, point S is on this line. Write down in terms of P an expression for OS. Okay, so this is on the line, and this is S. And we would like to know what OR-S is. That's not so bad, because OR-S is just S minus OR, and we have our S, P minus 10, P squared, P plus 2. Can you give me back the OR? What was it? You sure you writing anything down? Say again, what's your reason? Bad reason. I want you to write this down. You won't remember anything by looking. You won't, I promise you. Did you do it right? Did you do it right? I don't believe you. Sure, yes? Come on. It's Eid. Make it a happy day. Okay. I would like you to read this back to me, please. This is the 4. So what is it?
Minus 4t.
3 plus 4t.
Minus 4 minus 2t.
Minus 4 minus 2t.
2 plus t.
2 plus t. Okay.
What would take the
Yeah, 1 of
which is minus 9?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not that old. I mixed up my letters. You're right. Or is minus 9 to minus 1. Okay. So this will be p minus 19, p squared minus 2, p plus 3.
t minus 1 minus 2. Minus
Oh, yeah, where did I say 19? Sorry. Minus 10 plus 9. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that's okay. Now the D part. You're told that OS, which you just calculated, is perpendicular to the line. What equals 0? Yeah, dot my OS dotted with what though? Yeah, but what? Yeah, tell me what goes in here. Yeah, but what numbers?
The numbers in the right.
Yeah.
So, p minus 9 2 minus 1.
4 minus 2, 1. Yeah. 4 minus 2, 1, was it?
Yes.
Yeah. So now you have 4p minus 4 minus 2p squared plus 4 plus p plus 3 equals 0. Minus 2p squared, 4p, 5p plus 7 equals 0. P squared minus 5p minus 7 equals 0. Sorry, 2p squared. Does this have nice roots? Let's see. 2p, p1 and 7. I want minus here. And yeah?
The question has to show that t squared minus 5 minus 3.
Oh, and find the values of p. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. I got 7, not 3.
Because you're right.
Huh? No, well, unless I made a mistake, but I wonder if this is a typo. My 2p is correct? My minus 5 is correct, so my 7 is wrong. Possibly?
Minus 4 plus 4. Yeah, minus 4 plus 3.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see this one here. Sorry, this one and this one cancel, leaving me with just 3.
So, plus 3 plus 3 minus.
3. Okay. So, does that mean we can still find roots? 3 here, 1 here. And then this needs to be plus. Yes. So, yes, p is minus a half, p is 3. It's actually not too difficult of a vector question. Yeah? Okay, E. Now that we have our values of P, they want us to find S. So, we have S here, yeah. So S, remember, is equal to P minus 10, P squared, and P plus 2. So if I put in a half, I would get minus a half minus 10 is minus 21 over 2. This would be a quarter, and this would be 3 over 2, I think. And then if you put in 3, the second answer will be minus 7, 9, and 5, when you put in 3. Yeah? So that's the E part done.
You just replace by the 3 or half?
Yep. Yep. Hmm? Yeah. Find the, basically the question is find the values for S. So you know what the P is, and you have the formula for S, so you can find the two values because you have the two values of P. It's only 2 marks. So, it shouldn't be too long. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, can we look at the F part now? Let me just go back up here to my OR. Yeah.
Is them equal to 1, right?
Sorry, say again? Well, let's have a look at F here. So, for F, you have line 2, which is 3 minus 5, 8, plus T, minus 12, 6, minus 3. Now, just so you can see that this, I could rewrite it as, like this. Minus 3, I could take the minus 3 out here, and I'd be left with 4, minus 2, and 1. Yeah? Let me just make sure. Yeah. Okay. Now what I could also say is let S equal minus 3t. So then this would be 3 minus 5, 8, plus S, 4 minus 2, 1. Now what's line 1? So this is line 2. Line 1, what was the formula? I gave it to you earlier. What was it? What was it? It was earlier.
Minus 9.
Where is it? There it is there. 3 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4, 2, and then the other one was 4 minus 2, 1. So what do you notice about these two lines? They're parallel. They have to be. Why? Yeah, well, the reason they're parallel is because these are the same. So if you remember, what you're saying is line 1, if we call, I don't remember what the letters of these points are, but just for the moment I'll just call it A here, and I'll call this one B here. So line, and I'll call this one here, I don't know, G and G. So line 1 looks like this. It starts at A, and then there's a vector pointing this way, which we call G. And then line 2 starts at B, but the vector that's pointing in its direction is the same vector, so they're parallel. In other words, you can show that two lines are parallel if you can show that the vectors here beside the S or beside the T are the same. Now they don't have to be the same, they could actually be a multiple. So if this here was 8 minus 4, 2, then that's okay as well. It just means that this vector is twice as long, but it's still the same direction. So what I did to prevent that was this business here of taking the minus 3t out. So I could make it exactly the same on the inside. Just to make it a tad clearer. How many marks? Yeah, it's only 2 marks again, so I suppose you'd better include a sentence, maybe.
If we show two lines parallel, we need to show t equals k lambda, something like this.
Yeah, to show that two lines are parallel, if we call this G1 and G2, you need to show that G1 is equal to some multiple of G2, if you want to do it like that. Yeah. And likewise, well, you know that if you wanted to show that they're perpendicular, then what would you need to do? Yeah, the dot of these two equals 0, should equal 0. Yeah? Okay, so write this one down, and then that's the vectors question. I don't know if a lot of people look at this and they don't like how it looks. It's not too bad. I don't think so.